Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, so let's start with today's new video with you. And students, in this video, I'm going to explain question number 20 and 21 from DQL book of chapter. You can see on the screen that's bill of exchange. So before starting, I need an idea from your side that how much questions you have solved till now. I hope till question number 19 so everybody have solved. Okay. So if you have not solved till 19 question, so immediately solve all the questions. If in any question a problem is there, you visit on my channel and watch the last videos. You will get everything because most of the questions I'm covering in the videos. But still you are having any kind of problem, then you can contact me immediately. You can call, you can WhatsApp me, right? Or you can ping your comment in the comment section of YouTube. Okay, so now put up your SR number in the comment section and let's start today's video. Students, see, this is question number 20 from the DQL book, and you can see here Asha sold goods worth 19,000 to Nisha. To whom beta? To Nisha. To whom beta? To Nisha. So next beta, 4,000 were paid by Asha immediately, and for her balance she accepted a bill. Okay, उसने क्या करा? बिल एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. Drawn up her by Asha, payable after 3 months. Asha discounted the bill immediately with her bank. अब आशा ने क्या करा? शी बेटा इमीडिएटली डिस्काउंटेड हर बिल विद द बैंक एट 10% पर एनम. ओके, कितने परसेंट एनम पर एनल पे? दैट वाज डिस्काउंट वाज एनुअली 10%. ओके, ऑन द ड्यू डेट निशा डिस्काउंटेड द बिल. निशा ने ड्यू डेट पे बिल को डिस्काउंट करा and paid 30,000 as noting charges. How much? 30 rupees for the noting charges. अब बच्चे सोच रहे होंगे noting charges क्या हैं? So these are the charges which are additionally we have to pay, right? Whenever the bills are discounted, okay, as well as if someone is paying on due date, so some charges created by bank for recording transaction, whatever little bit expenses for that. So on 5 June, Nisha paid 3,030 rupees including changes in cash and accepted a new bill at 1 month at the amount due to Asha. Okay, together with interest at the rate of 15% per annum. अब 5 जून पे निशा ने 3,030 पे किए इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट. ओके, एंड न्यू बिल क्रिएट कर दिया आशा पे, दैट इज़ इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 15%. तो स्टार्टिंग करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आशा सोल्ड गुड्स टू निशा फॉर 19,000. सो फर्स्ट पास देखिए जितना आपको आता है ना क्वेश्चन, स्टार्ट फर्स्ट रीड को. देखिए अकाउंट्स लगाने का तरीका क्या है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड द क्वेश्चन कम्प्लीटली एंड क्लियर योर मीनिंग अप टू द फुल स्टॉप. जैसे पहले पॉइंट पढ़ा हमने, आशा सोल्ड गुड्स वर्थ 19,000 टू निशा ऑन 2 मार्च 16. तो फर्स्ट टिल हेयर व्हाट इज मेंशन, आप इसका मीनिंग क्लियर करिए. देन आफ्टर दैट मूव फॉरवर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट लाइन. ओके, तो फिर जो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस दिया है आप उसका मीनिंग. तो इन एवरी सेंटेंस इफ़ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग प्रॉपरली देन बेटा यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस वेरी इजीली विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम. देखिए एंट्री बन गई. सब फर्स्ट हमने फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ही पढ़ा. सो हेयर आशा इज सेलिंग गुड्स टू निशा. तो इफ़ वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग बुक्स इन द आशास जर्नल, तो आशा इज सेलर, सो हर सेल्स अकाउंट विल बी ओपन. ओके, तो प्रिपेयर फॉर्मेट ऑफ journal, date, particular, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Okay, now on March 6 2 March 2016 goods were sold to Nisha na. So beta here Nisha is purchasing goods, so Nisha will be debited and to sales account. Okay, Asha sales account will be credited. Now immediately beta she paid 4,000. Okay, so on the same day 4,000 will be debited and remaining 15,000 on bill. Okay, so she accepted a bill okay, and total money credited from Nisha, that will be 19,000. Is it clear? Now when the bill will be due after 3 months, but it is immediately discounted and paid by Nisha. Okay, so bank account debit and discounting charges will be debited to BR 15,000. देखिए how this 375 came. So you can see on the screen, bete, the bill was of 15,000, right? And after that it was discounted at 10% per annum. How much? 10%. And bill was due for how many months? 3 months. So we have to divide it by 12. 0 0 0 0 3 4 12 4 3 are 12 30 4 7 are 28 4 5 are 30 5 times 30. So beta this way this 375 came. Okay, so you can note down this. So this 375 will be discounting charges. डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस कब मिलते हैं? जैसे इमीडिएटली आपने बिल बनाया, अब ड्यू डेट आने से आप जितने दिन पहले पे कर देंगे, तो इफ़ देर इज़ एग्रीमेंट, इफ़ यू विल पे एन अर्लियर देन यू विल गेट दिस मच डिस्काउंट. तो वॉट एवर टाइम पीरियड विल बी रिमेनिंग, सो फॉर दैट टाइम पीरियड यू विल गेट डिस्काउंट. ओके बेटे. नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑन जून 5 निशा डिसऑनर्ड, द बिल वॉज डिसऑनर. तो बिल तो पूरे का 15,000 का था, तो 15,000 प्लस जब भी कोई बिल डिसऑनर होता है तो बैंक उस पर चार्जेस लगाती थी. सो देर वॉज 30 रुपीज़ चार्जेस. सो अगेन निशा विल बी डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट 15,030. एंड नाउ हाउ मेनी मंथ्स आर रिमेनिंग बेटा? 1 month. 2 months are completed. So for 1 month it was September 5 June na, so due date will be 5 July. So for 1 month Nisha have to pay interest. So interest on how much amount she will pay? On 12,000. It is already mentioned na above. So on 12,000 beta there will be 15% interest for 1 month. So that will be 150. Nisha debit to interest 150. Okay, interest rate is due. Now whenever this acceptance will be met on June 5, so cash account will be debited, BR will be debited of 12,150. Why this was? Because beta at that time Nisha was credited by 15,000 because bank dishonored. So then again immediately she paid 3,000 from the 12,000, matlab this 15. So whenever we will subtract 15 minus 3, then only 12,000 will be remaining बेटे. ओके, सो दैट इज़ वाई जितना भी आपका पैसा देने वाला रह जाएगा कोई बंदा ब्याज उसी पे लगाएगा ना. दैट इज़ वाई हेयर इंटरेस्ट इज चार्ज ऑन 12,000. बच्चे ये भी सो कन्फ्यूजन हो रहे हैं कि सर ने ये कहाँ से ला दिया, राइट. सो दिस वे इंटरेस्ट विल बी चार्ज एंड कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 3,030, राइट. सो रिमेन टू निशा अकाउंट होल अमाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड 15,180. तो इज इट क्लियर? Now beta we will prepare journal entries in the books of Nisha. So Nisha is a buyer and Asha is selling. So Nisha's account will be debited, purchase account debit to Asha. ठीक है, Asha is selling, so Asha will be credited. Now when money will be paid to Asha, then Asha will be debited. 4,000 cash will be paid to cash 4,000 and remaining bill payable will be created. So for 15,000 it will create. On June 5 beta bill was dishonored, that is why bill payable debit again for 15,000. Bank charge notice charge 30 and to Asha there was liability on Asha now 15,030. Now beta this 15,000 out of 15,030 she paid 3,030 immediately and remaining 12,000 was balance. So on 12,000 1 month was remained. So for 1 month there was interest, that is 150, already we have discussed, right. So after that Asha's money whenever it will paid, so bills Asha debit to bills payable 12,000 remaining amount 150 interest. Okay, so to 15,180 will be there. Now you can see beta question number 21. In this to A sold goods of 40,000 to B. अब A goods बेच रहा है B को on 1 January 2017 and B drew a bill upon B of exchange of same amount payable after 1 month. Okay, so same question is here, and it was also discounted immediately with the bank at 9%, so 9% discount will be debited for 1 month. Okay beta, you will calculate 9% of 40,000, you will get a discount of that much from the BR. Okay, and he further requested to accept 15,000 immediately, and whatever all the things are given here. So read this question properly, and if anybody is having any kind of problem, then you are free to call us. Okay, and now keep in mind one thing more, you have to pass journal entry in the books of A as well as in the books of B. Okay, so this way all the journal entries will be prepared, as well as you have to prepare B's account. Okay, in B's account whatever items are credited in journal, that will be credited, and whatever items are debited beta, that items will be debited. Is it clear? So now any doubt is there, then you can tell me, put your problem in comment. If you are getting all the things, then in the comment section you have to write I'm getting all the things. So this question is a homework, as well as 23, 24, 25 is a homework. So solve all the question. If problem will be there, ask from me, I will explain. Thank you students, bye bye, take care.